Assalamu alaikum starts with the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and the most merciful. Today is the lecture 3 or day 3 of our course, of our 30-day course. In this lecture or in this video, I will tell you about the 3 main techniques of learning English, and I will tell you some more phrases that you have to use in your daily conversation so that you will learn them or you will be able to speak English in a better way. So I will tell you about these 3 techniques, and the technique number 1 is this. Technique number 1 is practice phrases. Those phrases which I have told you in the day 2 lecture, or today I also tell you about these phrases. Practice those phrases, okay, and practice these phrases, and also write them in a small diary. And when you write these phrases in a small diary, in your diary, or practices them, you will be able to use these phrases in your daily conversation, or you will be able to better your English speaking, okay. And then I will move on the technique number 2, that will be this. Note down the mistakes. You have to speak English, and you have to be very conscious in speaking English and note down your mistakes. You also note your mistakes or write your mistakes in your diary so that you learn your mistakes. You note your mistakes and make a list of your mistakes, and you have to try to correct your mistakes, okay. After writing your mistakes and correction of your mistakes, then you use the technique number 3. And the technique number 3 is, I will tell you, the technique number 3 is here. The technique number 3 is try to use these phrases in your daily conversation. Use these phrases, practice them, write down your mistakes, and then again practice these phrases in your daily conversation. Those phrases which I tell you in day 2 lecture, and today I also have to tell you there's some phrases, okay. These phrases are very helpful to you people. These phrases are very useful for you to speak in English, to better your conversation, okay. And then after these 3 techniques, I will tell you about some more phrases that you have to use in your daily conversation with your friends, with your fellows, or with your classmates, with your colleagues, and someone else as you. Now I will tell you about some phrases. Next phrases. These phrases are to express your emotions. Okay? To express your emotions. These phrases are to express your emotions. How you express your whenever you people have to express your feelings, your emotions, you don't have any words, you don't have some suitable words that you use for speaking, that you use for your fellow classmate, to make conversation with him, okay. So I will tell you about these phrases, so learn them, practice them, and write down your mistakes, okay. So these phrases. Now I have some phrases. When you are happy, you use these phrases when you are happy. So first one is, I will tell you, the first one is, I am on cloud 9. I am on cloud 9. This means that you are very happy, you are feeling very, very superb happy. When you feel super happy, you use this phrase, I am on cloud 9. This express your feelings, this express your happiness and your happiness, okay. And the next one is, I am on the top of the world. I am on the top of the world. I am on the top of the world. This also means that you're very much happy and you couldn't express your feelings. You thought that you're the luckiest person in the world, okay. And next phrase is, I am high on life. I am high on life. This phrase, you use this phrase when you got very good marks in your exam, or you got a good position, or you got a promotion in your job. You use this phrase, I am high on life. So write down these phrases in your diary and practice them, and use these phrases in your daily life. Please try to use these phrases in your daily life. You notice that you will learn very easily these phrases, okay. You will notice that you are very, very much excited by using these phrases, that your English is very good, your English is tremendous, fabulous, okay. So now I will tell you about some more phrases. Here are some more phrases to express your sad feelings. These phrases are for when you are sad, when you're feeling sad, you use these phrases. And the number 1 is, I am feeling down. Okay, I am feeling down. This means that you're very depressed and you're very sad. The next one is, I am feeling blue. Blue means sad. In this phrase, blue means sad. You use blue instead of sad. This makes this phrase very formal. Okay, I am feeling blue. And the next one is my heart is heavy. This phrase is very much formal phrase. Okay, and you may use one more adjective in this phrase, that is my heart is very heavy. Okay, my heart is very heavy. You use these phrases when you are very much depressed and you don't want to talk to someone. Okay, now we'll tell you some more phrases. Okay, these phrases, these are those phrases which we use when you are angry. When you are angry, you got furious, you don't want to talk to someone, you use these phrases instead of being angry to someone. Okay, use these phrases. I am so furious. Tell someone that I am so furious, please don't talk to me, I'm so furious. The next one is I have never been so mad in life. These phrases explain your feeling, explain your angriness, your furiousness. This explains that you are very much angry, so that the person who is talking to you understand your situation, so he would be stop. And the next one is I am so mad I could scream. When you want to screaming, you say that I am so mad I could scream. Okay, so these are the those phrases which you use that when you are so much angry. Please, I am telling you again and again that write all these phrases in your diary and practice them. And the next phrase is that to stop one who is acting unpleasant. Like for example, one of your fellow who is very upset and he is telling his sadness to everyone. He's saying that I'm very worried about my boss is very unpleasant to me today, and he said blah blah, and you're very much bored about these sentences, so you have to stop this, you have to stop him. So instead of being too much angry to him, you said that to stop someone. Instead of being angry to him, you say that quit whining. Quit whining. This means quit whining means quit or stop complaining. The second sentence explain the meaning of this. First one, stop complaining. Be happy, stop complaining. And the next one is don't be so grumpy. Don't be so grumpy. I understand you. By using these phrases, you say to them that I understand your situation right now, but please quit whining, that please stop complaining, or you say please don't be so grumpy. Okay, so this is the lecture of our day 3 of our course, and I have so many lectures for you people in my 30-day lectures, in my 30-day course. So you just have to be so much conscious about these days, these courses, and please write down everything in your diary, in your personal diary for this course. Okay, I hope you understand each and everything. If you don't understand anything, you have to come in comment section and tell me what is your problem.
Thanks for watching.